If you're looking for a natural, affordable way to boost your skin's glow, this soothing DIY face mask is just what you need. Using just three simple ingredients, aloe vera, raw honey, and tea tree oil, you can create a spa-like treatment right at home. Start with 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel. You can use store-bought, but if you have a fresh aloe leaf, that's even better. Aloe vera hydrates the skin, soothes irritation, and gives you that soft, refreshed feeling without any greasiness. Next, add 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Tree tea oil, 2 to 3 drops. 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel. 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. First, in a clean bowl, combine your 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Mix them together until you get a smooth, consistent base. Now, carefully add just 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. I can't stress this enough. This stuff is potent. More is definitely not better here, as too much can easily irritate the skin. Stir it all together until it's a smooth, even paste that's easy to spread. And that's it. Your all-natural skin-loving face mask is ready to use. To get the most out of this mask, you'll want to start with a clean, dry face. Using clean fingers or a soft brush, apply a thin, even layer of the mask all over your skin. Just be sure to avoid your delicate eye area, nostrils, and mouth. Tea tree oil should not be used on mucous membranes. Now for the best part, just relax. Let the mask sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. This gives the ingredients time to really sink in and do their thing. You might feel a slight cooling or tingling sensation, which is totally normal. If you're loving how simple and effective natural skincare can be, please take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I have so many more easy skin-loving ideas to share, and I'd love for you to join our community. For the best results, try using this mask once or twice a week. If you happen to make a little extra, you can store it in an airtight container in the fridge. However, since it's all natural with no preservatives, it's always best to use it fresh. It should keep for a few days, but no longer than a week. And there you have it, a simple, affordable, and completely natural path to that radiant, healthy skin we're all after. No harsh chemicals, no confusing labels, just the pure, proven goodness of nature. I really hope you give this mask a try. It's become a go-to in my own routine, and I'm so excited for you to see the benefits for yourself. When you do try it, please come back and drop a comment below to let me know how it went. I'd also love to hear what your favorite natural skincare ingredients are. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos like this. Here's to your glow up. Nature has everything we need for healthy, radiant skin. Try this simple recipe and see the difference for yourself. Your glow up can start right in your kitchen.